Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to block commenters on Instagram. So let's say that you don't want a certain account to comment to your post. You can do just that by following this tutorial I'm gonna show you. So first open your Instagram and then go to your profile and choose any post that you want, for example this one, and then click on the comment section, and then here click on the three dots icon, and here you'll find allow comments from option. Click on that, and here you just need you'll find the block comments from. So if you activate this, any new comment from people you block won't be visible to anyone but them, so even your followers won't see their comments. So just click on this arrow like right here, and then search on the account that you want to block, so that they can comment to your post, but others won't see the comments. So let's say I'm going to just choose an account, for example. Okay, so just wait. So for example, this one's right here, just click on block, and then if you want to add more than one, click on block again, and then you can just go back. So it now changed from 0 people to 2 people. Okay, so that's basically how you can block commenters in your Instagram. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.